Good morning. We will study about the linear equation of two variable. And now exercise 3.2 and the question number 7. Now question number 7 of exercise 3.2. Question is that draw a graph of equation x minus 2, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinate of the vertex of the triangle found by the three lines x-axis and the given two lines. There are two work in this question. First of all, you have to plot the given question on the graph paper as a straight line, and after that you have to find the coordinate points of the intersection point of these two lines and the intersection point with given lines to x-axis. Now come and try to see from equation 1. X minus 1 plus x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, y equal to minus x minus y, x plus y. Draw a data. Suppose that x and y, taking value of x 1, y is 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, and from 2, 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0, 2y equal to minus 3x plus 12. This can be written in this form: y is equal to 12 minus 3x by 2. Again preparing a data by this, just like. Here is also taking the value of x, and after calculation you will get the value of y. Just like if x is equal to 2, if x is equal to 2, 2 3 is 6. 12 minus 6 equal to 6. 6 by 2 equal to 3. If x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 0. There are two values. Draw a graph. After that, draw a graph. Plot a Cartesian system on your copy, just like x, x dash, y, y dash, y, y dash. This is origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For the first equation, 1, 2, 1.23, 2.34, 3 point. These 3 points, and join them, you will get a straight line. And this name is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. After that, for second, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, this point, 4, 0, this point. Join them. And move them. Similarly, like this you will get a graph on your copy. You will see that x-axis, for x-axis, y equal to 0. For x-axis, y equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0, now x equal to minus 1. This line intersect at x-axis equal to minus 1. Therefore, b equal to, this is x and this is y. This is 2 and 3. 2, 3. Coordinate point of point B equal to 2, 3. A equal to minus 1, 0. And C equal to 4, 0. This is your complete answer of this question. Like this, it is complete to how can we obtain the solution of linear equation by the graphical method or plotting the graph of linear equation. Now come and try to learn algebraic method, solution of linear equation by algebraic method. Algebraic method, there are 3 methods you have to study in this chapter. Algebraic method. Algebraic method, there are 3 methods of algebraic system from which we can solve the linear equation. First is substitution method. First is substitution method. TITUL. Substitution method. Second is elimination method. Elimination method. Third is cross multiplication method. Multiplication. These are 3 methods to solve the linear equation in algebraic system. Now come for the first method, substitution method. How can we solve the linear equation by substitution method? Come and try to see. We take a question from your exercise and explaining the method, I will try to solve the question. Just like x plus y equal to 14, first equation, and x minus y equal to 4, second equation. And we have to solve these linear equation by substitution method. In the method of substitution, first we find the value of x in the term of y or value of y in the term of x. You are free to select anything. I am going to find the value of y in the term of x from equation number 1. From equation number 1, x plus y equal to 14, y equal to 14 minus x. Like this. This value of y substitute in equation number 2. Substituting value of y in equation number 2. X minus 14 minus x equal to 4. total value of y substitute in place of y in equation number second, and you will get this form and calculate it. X plus x, 2x. 2x is equal to 4 plus 14. Now 2x is equal to 18. Now x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. First value you obtain. Therefore y is equal to the value of this. Substitute this value in here. 14 minus 9 equal to 5. Now y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 9. This is your right solution by the substitution method. One question more. One question more. 3x minus y equal to 3. 3x minus y equal to 3. Now the first question. And 9x minus 3y equal to 9. 9x minus 3y equal to 9. Dividing equation by 3, then 3x minus y equal to 3. You will see that equation number 1 and 2 both are same equation. In that condition, this equation cannot be solved by any method because it is overlapping. It has infinite solution. In that condition, we cannot solve this equation. So you left it. Now question number 5th, root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0, root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. This our second question from first. Root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. Now root 3y is equal to minus root 2x. Now y is equal to minus root 2 by root 3x. Value of y in the term of x. Now substitute this value in equation number 2. Substituting value of y in equation number 2. Root of 3x minus root of 8 y minus root of 2 by root of 3x equal to 0. Students, you can take x common, then root of 3 minus plus root of 8 into root of 2, root of 16 by root of 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 upon root of 3 plus root of 16 by root of 3 and 0. 0 divided by any quantity is equal to 0, you see. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to minus root 2 by root 3 into 0, that is 0. So your result is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Now, now you see how can we applicate the substitution method in the process of solving of linear equation. I repeat it. When we are going to solve the linear equation by substitution method, then from equation first or from equation second, you are free to select anything. You find the value of x in the term of y or value of y in the term of x. and this value substitute in equation number 2. If you take equation number 1, then substitution equation number 2. If we take equation number 2, substitution equation number 1, and calculate it. After calculation, easily you can find the value of x and y and your question is solved. This is substitution method. Most important for you and for coming classes, just like 11, 12. It is very useful method. So I hope that you will try to do much exercise. Some example number 10, there are 10 examples in this exercise. Solve every example just like a solved question and try to find the result. Student, I will continue tomorrow the next class from question number 2. So I stop this class here. Thank you.